Thank you for purchasing the Small Group Student Tracker. I hope this resource is useful and impactful for you. Before we begin, please note that to see all the features in the user guide sheet at once, it is recommended to have the sheet zoomed out to 50%. The first two columns are frozen, so you can have a constant view of the 5-star rating descriptions. The first 10 rows are frozen as well, to have a constant view of the column titles showing the title of the week's lesson and its date range. To insert the date, double-click on this cell. You can disregard the invalid pop-up window. The left column indicates whether the student visited the small group table that week, and the right column indicates the student's rating of understanding of the topic taught. A brief description of each rating is to the left. You can type a description of the lesson here. You can also insert a copy of the activity or lesson taught as a smart chip attachment in this cell. This attached document explains how to use smart chips. This tracker is formatted to highlight important information about students. Let's say that Chris P. Bacon did not attend the small group session that week. His cell will be highlighted yellow, indicating that you need to follow up with him to ensure he understands the lesson. Let's say that Rick O'Shea did attend the small group session, but he rated a 1 on his understanding of the lesson. When a student's rating is less than average, in this case, less than 3, their cell highlights red, indicated that a reteach is necessary. Let's talk about how to insert more columns and rows. Some academic quarters may be longer than others, so adding columns may be necessary. For example, I want to add 2 additional weeks to this academic quarter. Using the column names at the top, I highlight the desired columns, including the small column before the first desired column. Be sure to hold the Shift button when selecting the last column so that all the columns in between are selected as well. I then right-click and select Copy. I click on the farthest right desired column, right-click and select Insert One Column Right. Don't worry about the color. It will disappear once you paste your new columns. Right-click on the new column and select Paste. Your 2 new columns will appear, and the same highlight features are copied over as well. Follow the same steps to add rows to your tracker. This may be necessary if you need additional class periods. The tracker already accommodates for 8 class periods, as well as 4 academic quarters. You also have the option to edit the names of the class periods. Just click on the pencil button to edit the names. I would like to add another class period to this tracker. Similar to selecting the columns, use the row names at the left to select the first row you want to copy, and hold the Shift button down while selecting the last row desired. It isn't necessary to select the empty row at the bottom. Right-click and select Copy. There are no spaces in between the class periods, so creating a space isn't necessary. Click on the empty row at the bottom of the page, right-click it, and select Paste. A new class period has been added, and the same highlight features are also copied over.